Hello, Kamusta and Cześć. We are Polipino adventurers. We're a blended family of Polish and Filipino descent. We found attraction to each other through our common interests of travel and adventures and the desire to enjoy life through what we see, experience, and learn. I'm Krizia.
I'm Jacek.
I'm James.
When we became a family, we started documenting places we visited. We've got ideas for traveling couples and family trips. We love the outdoors and we're both former competitive athletes, so you'll see a mix of camping and mountain biking, hikes and snowboarding, paddling, off-roading, road trips, and more. Join us as we explore more.
Let's go!
The Manila-Acapulco round trip between Manila and Mexico, Acapulco. They traveled over 6,000 miles long on a round-trip journey through the Pacific Ocean, and it took 6 to 9 months for the ship to travel between the belts of trade of the Pacific.
And it takes you 5 hours yesterday.
Yes, it did take us 5 hours after shopping.
Where are you, honey?
Morro Bay.
Morro Bay. Looking at the sea otters. Aw, Jen James. And our future Polish son. You're a star. Yeah. Warning, hazardous water ahead. So we're finally paddling here at Morro Bay. We have some sea otters that are playing right over there. So let's go take a look. Alright, so we just spent some time on the beach, drank some of the beer, took some shells on the shore. Now we're gonna head back for a little bit and get around so we can get some shots. It's a beautiful whole day. We're having fun. It's really cool to see otters, but pelicans, all the sea life that's out there. It's beautiful. Welcome to Morro Bay. What's up, guys?
So it got really windy and we had a hard time paddling back. So now we're back at the campsite with the canopy up. And hubby is making us dinner. Everything's green. The stove is green, the propane tank is green, the lamp is green, the silver is green. Oops, the gazelle's green. Anchor point. Lost Island Adventures, let's go over there. Morro Bay Seaside Shot. I can't believe it. That's spicy. There you go, babe. We're here back at Morro Rock and we're gonna watch sunset on the beach. Ain't that right, hubby? You're so handsome. There's a log right here we can sit on.
It's what?
Log.
Yeah, you can sit on it.
Back at the campsite and he's making dinner. What are you making, babe?
I don't know yet. Let's see.
Something with ground beef, patties, and peppers. Who's cooking? Not me.
Hey, you.
I love my new outfit. I got these new North Face shorts, a North Face jacket.
How much you spent?
Nothing. Honey paid for it.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah, babe. Wherever it's cold clothes. Where's my cup of coffee, babe?
Cup of coffee right over there.
Over where?
Over here. Babe, who cut the cheese? That means who farted. Thanks for breakfast, honey.
Sure.
We're back at Morro Bay and it's slightly windy and gloomy, but the sun should come out around 12 or 1 and last till 4, but we're not going to be here that long. But honey, can you tell everybody what you're doing?
Your board.
Making my board work.
After you board.
He's pumping my board. Babe.
Yeah.
Pump it.
Pumping your board.
Pump it, babe. Pump it. We've got some otters chilling. No crossing allowed in the dunes. Snowy plovers nesting habitat. I found a snowy plover, guys. Looky! Go, go, go! So fast. So I found a ton of sand dollars and this giant shell. It's almost as big as my face. So if you're ever here in Morro Bay, try to paddle with a kayak or a stand-up paddle board to the island right across from the rock. And it's really nice here because it's just us. and no one can get here unless you have a kayak or a paddleboard or a small boat. So come out, collect some shells, and make some memories, and enjoy the wildlife as well. There's a lot of birds and hawks, snowy plovers, lots of pelicans, and the weather is great. Howdy, hey. Hey, babe. How you doing?
Good. You?
I'm great. We saw otters. We were on a private island for like hours long. Oh yeah. Woo! Picture. Yeah, jestem gotowa. Not ready to go home. Having too much of a good time. We'll be back. I'll be back. With hubby. And Jamie. Hey guys, we are finally heading home. It's been a great 2.5 days, but we'll be back here at Morro Bay Beach, hitting the rock and the island and the dunes again. And now, stay tuned for our next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!